Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty for our tomorrow's trading setup. So I'm in Nifty's 15-minute chart, and let's go to daily chart. So in daily chart, we can see it's a very good closing, very strong closing. We went almost near to 17,000 and bounced back strongly and closed almost 200 points above from the low. So this is really good closing, and we might expect some more pullback on the higher side. So let's look at 15 minutes chart. So this is what we mentioned yesterday. If we cross this low of previous day, and we might test the level of 17,050. This is the zone I was explaining yesterday, and exactly from there we saw a pullback, and we retested this level, and again we started falling. Okay, for tomorrow, first thing, so we formed a good base after a continuous fall. We saw a good base, and we could see head and shoulder pattern formed in Nifty, and we are in the wedge of breakout. And if we break this level 17,280 plus, then we can see market moving. But here we have again one more small resistance in this zone around 340 range, 350 range. So we might see some pullback, and we might see Nifty moving towards 17,450, 17,500. But it does not mean always like head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern will give a breakout always. We might fail also, and we might go back to this new lows. So what could be the best trade setup? So we'll wait for this zone, how it is reacting here. And if we see a good movement around 17,350, and if we see a retracement, and then we can take this entry on this breakout, we can take an entry, which could be the high probability trade, and we can target 17,400 and 450 range. So this can be the target. And if we don't cross this zone, and if we see a gap down, or after flat opening, if we see market moving down, then we might see some consolidation in this zone, 17,050 to 17,250. That's the expectation. And if in case we go below this level, today's low, if we break and go below, again we have a psychological level of 17,000. We might take support here, and if we go below this also, we have one more support. So 17,600 can be another support. So we have multiple supports. So I'm not expecting a big correction in the short term. We need to see. So most probably we might break and move higher, but we need confirmation. Now let's look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, similar setup. We expected some bounce back from this level, but it broke this level also and went down, but immediately it gave a pullback, and then in this zone we started seeing some action here. So some correction for some time, and then we breakout happened, and then we went up. So for tomorrow, similar to Nifty, if we go above this level, and then we if we retest, then that would be the better place to enter on the long side, on the buy side. And the first target can be around 38,400. So this is a zone where we can see some profit booking. Then we need to see if it starts correcting from here, or it moves above this level. If we open flat, or if you open gap down, then we might see again consolidation. But yeah, if in case we go below this level, 37,600 range, if we break, and then we might see 37,400, and we might see some consolidation. Okay, to summarize, we gave a good closing today, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we have higher probability of moving towards 38,400, but we need confirmation. We need to break this level and hold on this level for some time, and then we can move this to this zone. And if in case we open flat or gap down, and then if we cross below this level 37,600, then we can look at 37,400 as a target on the downside. This is my view for tomorrow, and please trade accordingly, and do your own analysis before taking any trade. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we have our Telegram group as well. The link is given in the description. Please join the Telegram group for market hours update. Thank you for watching.